Welcome to 10942 East Sonrisa Avenue, a beautifully updated 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a den in Mesa's Mountain Horizons community. The updated kitchen stands out with quartz counters, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, pantry, and a spacious island with breakfast bar. The great room features a cozy gas fireplace with tile surround, while the owner's suite offers a remodeled bath with walk-in shower, new vanity, and direct patio access. This split great room floor plan showcases elegant tile flooring, fresh fixtures, accent paint, and plenty of natural light. Step outside to your private backyard retreat with a PebbleTec pool, baja step, and low-maintenance landscaping, perfect for Arizona living. With garage cabinets, soft water and RO systems, and a fantastic East Mesa location close to everything, this home is truly move-in ready.